Hi, good morning everyone. We are here now at Mykonos, Greece, and today we're gonna explore Mykonos, Greece. And one of the things with the Mykonos, it's a small town, very touristy though. Um, we are docked here at the new port, and we have to go to the old port, and we have to ride either the ferry and then or the bus. And we'll see how it goes. All right, we'll see you later. We're here now off the boat. We're about to go out of the port. We have this Mykonos port. Shuttle going to this sea bus, and there's a line to go there. All the way to the back, and this is the sea bus, the shuttle. It runs every 30 minutes, they said. Now we're off the ship. And look at these white houses. All lined up here. It's very pretty. So we're off the ship and we're about to go. We're first gonna go to the Kato Mills, the windmills. It's famous here in Mykonos town. We're still gonna locate where it is. Look at the map. We are here. No, it's near there, right there at the top. So we are here.
We just hug the outside of the city.
Yeah, like. All right, so we just got out of the port, and first thing is we're going to the mills, Kato Mills, Kato Mills. And we're just walking here. Look at these walkways. Look at this place. I guess so. We don't know. We just walk. Just walking up here. Probably about 15,000 people here dropped off at the shore. Everybody wants to come here. So this is the Little Venice. As you can see in the background, all the stores are lined up, or the restaurants are lined up all here. It's called Little Venice because of, it looks like Venice actually. And you pan up here and you see the windmills in the background. And water just going up to the windmill. We are here now. As you can see, there's the windmills at the background of me. It looks really beautiful. Mykonos, known for their windmills, the old windmills before. The Little Venice at the back. Look here. We just went from the windmills and now we're on our way to, I'm gonna actually get to the church. And then this is the church, the Catholic Church of the Lady of the Rosary. So it's a different church. It's a good church as you see inside. This is the Rosary. It's a beautiful small church. Then we come along with this church. There's some sign, but we don't know what it is. It looks beautiful. We are walking down the hill. There are clothes up here, shops. And there are beautiful streets here at Mykonos. And I get some gelato. Gelato.
It's like a strong espresso latte.
Oh, this is cold in here.
What's the white coffee?
White coffee.
It's Italian cream, Italian fused espresso.
What's the famous flavor here? You like that you like?
Flavor. It's Mykonos cheese with caramelized starch and chili powder.
Can I try?
Can I have the extra? It's a hot spice.
Oh, yeah, sure. I love spicy.
Such a liar.
Spicy, the best flavor.
Espresso. No, the other coffee. This is a white and.
We only have this
Okay, that's fine. What do you want? What's the
Yeah, the
small?
one that she told me.
I'll do the medium.
You can also do two flavors if you want them.
Oh.
No, just one.
And what's the next best one?
What do you like? Like fruits?
Pistachio.
We do have really nice pistachio. We also have very good hazelnut.
Okay, hazelnut and then that cheese with caramelized orange and chili powder. Alright. That's big. How's your gelato?
Let's just explore other options.
Gelato good?
Let's think
Very
outside
good.
the box.
I have the espresso with coffee beans. They are crunchy and bitter. They are mixed with the, I think it's vanilla.
Alright. Can I enjoy the ice cream? Nice view here at this place at Snow Gelato. Let me pan it to where I'm looking at. A lot of people enjoying the view. Enjoying Mykonos. So as you can see, then I go back here. So this is the church at the background, and go this around. Really nice, just hot. It's really nice here, and I'm gonna pan it around for you guys. Let's go. It's really nice church.
Got the dome.
The dome. Red dome.
Churches all over.
Ito na yon yata. Yung church. So we're gonna go in. Gonna go in the church and pay homage to the church here. Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, this is the one that's on the video.
We are going to start hanging.